Hey, people and the world. Hi. I have come to you today to have us all gather around and get smarter by learning C# in 2017. For those who don't know what C# is, it's a programming language used to make your favorite video games, such as... Google it. Alright, so let's start with the basics. What is C#? C# is an elegant, object-oriented language that enables developers to build a variety of secure and robust applications that run on the .NET framework. You can use C# to create Windows applications, web services, mobile applications, client-server applications, database applications, and much, much more. You'll learn more about these concepts in upcoming lessons. It runs on the .NET framework. Nice. It says it's happy with us. The .NET framework. The .NET framework consists of the Common Language Runtime, CLR, and the .NET Framework Class Library. The CLR is the foundation of the .NET framework. It manages code at execution time, providing core services such as memory management, code accuracy, and many other aspects of your code. The class library is a collection of classes, interfaces, and value types that enable you to accomplish a range of common programming tasks, such as data collection, file access, and working with text. C# programs use the .NET Framework Class Library extensively to do common tasks and provide various functionalities. These concepts might seem complex, but for now just remember that applications written in C# use the .NET Framework and its components. Which one is not part of the .NET Framework? Operation system. Easy. Look at that, achievements. I'm getting achievements in this bitch. It's like a RPG over here. Alright, variables. Variables. Programs typically use data to perform tasks. Creating a variable reserves a memory location, or a space in memory, for storing values. It is called variable because the information stored in that location can be changed when the program is running. To use a variable, it must first be declared by specifying the name and data type. A variable name, also called an identifier, can contain letters, numbers, and the underscore character. That's it right there in case you didn't know. It must start with a letter or underscore. Although the name of a variable can be any set of letters and numbers, the best identifier is descriptive of the data it will contain. This is very important in order to create clear, understandable, and readable code. For example, first name and last name are good descriptive variable names, while ABC and XYZ are not. You hear that, Pokemon? Alright, which is a valid C# variable name? No. Yes. No. Easy. See, now we're getting into the coding part. Now it's getting intense and smart and stuff. Variable types. A data type defines the information that can be stored in a variable, the size of needed memory, and the operations that can be performed with the variable. For example, to store an integer value, a whole number, in a variable, use the int keyword. Int, my age. This is used to declare an integer variable. The code above declares the variable named myAge of type integer. A line of code that completes an action is called a statement. Each statement in C# must end in a semicolon. You can assign the values of variables when you declare it. Int myAge equals 18. Incorrect, but almost, or later in your code, int myAge semicolon and then myAge equals 18 semicolon. Remember that you need to declare the variable before using it. Fill in the blanks. Okay. So, let's see here. Wait, hold on a second. Fill in the blanks to declare a variable named num of type integer and assign 42 to it. Oh, so int and then num equals. Easy. I'm gonna be making the next Texas Instrument, just you watch. Oh boy. Built-in data types. There are a number of built-in data types in C#. The most common are int, this is an integer, float is a floating point number, double is a double precision version of float, char is a single character, boolean that can only have one of two values, true or false, and string, which is a sequence of characters. The statements below use C# data types. Okay, so int equals 42. Double pi. Okay, oh boy, that's just fancy. Oh wait, double. Okay, so I'm going to assume you got to use the double to make it like super precise. Like if you want it to be a point value, it has to be a double. Gotcha. I think could be wrong. Char. Okay, so char can only have one value, or I'm sorry, one variable set to it. I think that's what that means. Bool. That's a true or false statement, and string. And this is a sequence of characters. So this can be like multiple things inside the quotations, right? Note that char values are assigned using single quotations and string values require double. Really? Ah, yes. Because there's only one character as opposed to this one which can have multiple. Gotcha. Alright. Drag and drop the correct data types. Okay. False, that would be the true and false statement. And high, that's a string because it's multiple. Dude, where is my Grammy? Give it up. My first C# program. You can run, save, and share your C# codes on the code playground without installing any additional software. Alright, now you're getting weird. To create a C# program, you need to install the Integrated Development Environment IDE with coding and debugging tools. We'll be using Visual Studio Community Edition, which is available for free. Okay. Alright. Gotcha, give me a second. Do I look cool yet with this thing right here? Does it make me look cool? I hope I look cool now. Probably. Alright. Enter name your project. Gotcha. Alright, what is the name of the IDE used? We're using Visual Studio. This is for 3D modeling. Don't know about this one. Or that one. But I know what Maya is. Correct! Your first C# program. Visual Studio automatically generates some code. Yep, right here. Is this what exactly it has? System, yep, looking pretty similar. Yeah, it's exactly it. Alright. You'll learn what each of these statements does in the upcoming lessons. For now, remember that every C# console application must contain a method, a function, named main. Main is the starting point of every application, i.e. the point where our program starts execution from. Okay, so main is the source of it all. Every console application should contain main method. Yeah! Your first C# program. Oh boy, it all begins. Alright, to run your program, press Ctrl 5 and you'll see the following screen. Really? Right here? Okay. Ctrl 5. Oh, it's oh! I did it! Nice. That was so easy! I can be an elite hackerman. This is a console window. As we do not have any statements in our main method, the program just produces a general message. Pressing any key will close the console. Alright, what type of application uses a defense, console application? Nice, hat trick. Let me see this. I want to look. Where is it at? Complete 3 lessons in a row. Oh my god. Oh boy. Displaying output. Most applications require some input from the user to give output as a result. To display text to the console window, you use the console.write or console.writeLine methods. The difference between those two is that console.writeLine is followed by a line terminator, which moves the cursor to the next line after the text output. The program below will display Hello World to the console window. Alright, so babies would copy and paste, but I ain't no baby, so I'ma do it myself, because I'm a man. Console.writeLine Hello World, and then end with a semicolon. I put word. Huh. Well, I'm a fuck up. Well, how about I give it a little originality? World. No. Bam! That's a word. Alright, let's see if this works. Control S, Control F5. Hello world! Alright. That worked out pretty good. Also, you mentioned the console.write version as well. So if I just do this, save, Control F5. Ah, that's what happens. Interesting. And then, boop. All right, we're learning the world. All right, drag and drop below. Okay, console.write line. Oh man. Oh, I should probably read the whole thing, huh? Yeah, there you go. Correct. We can display variable values in the console window. Ooh, now we're getting really fancy. Okay, so. Interesting, write line to display a formatted string, use the following syntax. Okay, alright, now we're getting super fancy smancy. Gotcha. Okay, so before we go into the, okay. Oh. Okay, alright, you know what? Let's rock this shit. I'm down. I'm down to party. We're here to party, god damn it. Alright, int x equals 89. I'm sorry, that was 90. I mean, it could equal 89 if it wants to, but it'd be wrong. Console.write line equals x. So this will display 89. So it will output 89, right? And we put the slashes because it shows like, it's like an editorial note. So displays 89. So okay. So for those who don't know what's happening with the slashes, for the crazy programmer types, they like to leave little like notes if you ever want to look at code to explain what a thing is. So if you want to display what a thing is for the person who's looking into code, you put double slash in front of it. Then you can type whatever the fuck you want. You can even type like little heart sign. Give him a little heart. You know, why not? Okay, display a formatted string. Use the following syntax. Ooh, you're getting fancy. Weird. Okay. Wait, what? Huh. I don't fully understand why I need to do double here, though. Why can't I just do another... Well, Alright, fuck it. That's fine. Double y equals... I'm sorry. Double y equals 20. And then console... Actually, you know what? I only need to do this. Fuck it. Why not? Why the heck not? So, realistically, because we already know... Well, okay, hold on. First off... Here, go ahead and... Oh god, what did I do? I don't even know what happened. Oh, it was just reformatting. Okay. Alright, so let's just make sure this works in the first place. 89. Good. Alright, now we'll do the fancier one. It's not really fancy, but I mean, it's something, right? Oh god, I broke it. I gotta type it again. Not a huge deal. Not the worst thing that's ever happened in my life. There's been so many worse things. Probably. X equals... What exact... Okay. I'm kind of confused as to why I'm doing it like this. So, I'm putting that circle... Okay. Maybe it'll explain it in a bit here. Maybe it'll explain this in a bit here. I'm a little lost. A little lost in the translation at the moment. I won't deny that. X, Y. Okay. And then this should be displaying... I'm sorry, output X equals 10, Y equals 20. Okay, so this should... Huh. Console though. What about... We'll see. We'll see. Huh. Whew. Bless me. Alright, but it worked. I mean, I just don't... Hold on a sec. Okay, so why does this work? Dude, this is fancy, actually. I didn't realize I could just hover over this. Huh. cool. Represents text as a sequence. Interesting. Okay. So... X... Oh, I get it. So what if I switch this to 1, and if I switch this to 0, this will display this as x equals 20, and then y equals, I didn't put that properly, but y would equal 10 here, right? Just with how this works, am I correct? Yes! Wait, 89. Oh, I never actually changed that to 10. Whoops. Silly butterfingers. Alright, but, okay, I get it now. So, what was happening here? So this would be... Wait, do I know? I know, right? Yes, okay, so it would start the first point of this transition here. So if I switch this to Y, and switch this to X, then this would be totally normal. Yep. Okay, alright, so... Pretty much this is calling the first one, I'm sorry, the second one. Right? Yeah, it's calling the second one in the line. And then this is calling the first one, so it starts at 0 in the same line. I'm not explaining it very well, but I'm getting it now. You always want to, when you're learning things, question what you're doing. Don't just take it for granted. Think about it. As you can see, the value of x replaced that, and the value of that replaced that. You can have as many variables, i.e. 3 and 4, etc. I probably should have kept reading. What is the output of this code? Int a equals 4, int b equals 2. Write a, write b. Wait, what is the output of this code? Oh, that would be 42. Easy. You're doing great. Keep up the pace. Thank you, Internet. Gosh. Getting user input. Alright. You can also prompt the user to enter data and use the console.readLine method to assign the input of a string variable. The following example asks the user for a name and then displays a message and then includes the input. Wait a second. Is this how you make it text-based adventure games? Are we at this point already? Oh my god. You ever watched that movie Big with Tom Hanks? I'm gonna make that game. It's gonna be sick. Okay. Let's see here. So what am I doing exactly? Here, we can get rid of this stuff now. We don't need this stuff. This is, well, realistically, I guess we should keep it, huh? How would we make another one? Exactly. Not sure how I would continue this. Fuck it, I'll just get rid of it. It's fine. Not a big deal. It's all good. We're just learning basic stuff at the moment. It's fine. Alright. So. Let's see. String. Oh. Interesting. Okay. So, if I really... Okay. Okay, so I'm in the, so I need another string here. Okay, string your name console.writeLine. What's your name, dog? And then a semicolon, of course. Your name equals console.readLine. And then console.writeLine. Hello. And then the this is gonna call the name that we're gonna write down. Your name. Okay, I'm kind of curious what this is gonna do now. Let's see. The console.readLine method waits for the user input and then assigns it to the variable. The next statement displays a formatted string containing hello with the user input. For example, if you enter David, the output will be okay. Can't talk. Alright, what's your name, dog? Jimmy Neutron. Hello, Jimmy Neutron. Thank you for saying that. Alright, cool. Alright, drag and drop. Okay. Let's see. String temp. Oh yeah, I should read the whole thing first. Drag and drop from the options below to take user input and store it in the temp variable. Okay, so that would be write line, or was it read line? Shit. Oh god. Oh god, did I fuck this up? Oh no. Wait. Temp, okay, hold on a second. Temp equals... Was it read line or write line? I think it was read line, actually. Fuck. I could cheat and look, but I don't want to cheat. Okay. So I'm gonna cheat. It was right line. Okay. Right line. And then temp. Oh no. Wow, never mind, I'm stupid. Holy shit. I got my first wrong answer. Okay, string temp. Temp equals... Alright, temp would equal... What did it equal? Console.WriteLine? What is this? Is it console.WriteLine? No? Alright, now I'm just guessing. Fuck. Hold on a sec, let me look back at this code. Alright. So... Oh, console.readLine. God damn it, me. I'm a dingus. It's right here. Right here. Yeah. Okay, so in this situation, yeah, so I'm a dip hole and a half. Wow. It's okay. We're still learning, man. We're still babies. We make mistakes as children. Sometimes we take forks and put it in sockets just to see what they do. Gosh, man, we ain't perfect. The console.readLine method returns a string value. If you are expecting another type of value, such as int or double, the entered data must be converted to that type. This can be done using the convert.toXXX, where the XXX is the .NET name of the type that we want to convert it to. What? For example, methods include convert.toDouble or convert.toBoolean. For integer conversion, there are 3 alternatives. Oh shit, we're getting into bits? Holy fuck. The default int type in C# is 32-bit. Let's create a program that takes an integer as input and displays it in a message. Is that the reason why there's like 32 and 64-bit? Holy fuck. We're learning today. What a good day. Wow. Alright, cool. I like this. I like this a lot, actually. Alright, let's see. Int age equals convert.toInt32 console.readLine console.WriteLine you are 0. You're not actually 0 years old. Years old age. Did I actually put that already? Huh. Weird. Alright. So, in this, if in the program above a non-integer value is inputted, for example letters, the convert will fail and cause an error. Really? Okay, int equals convert to int32 console read. Okay, so I'm a little confused. Let's see what this does. Let's just see. Okay, so this is where we just type in a number. 9. You are 9 years old. Okay. Okay. Question. 11 plus 4. Error, because we put the plus in there. What about more than 64 bits? Oh, wait, we should probably restart it. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so if we put so much data, I'm sorry, not 64, more than 32 bits, more than 32 bits can handle. This is the max I can put in. Let's see. There is an error. I see. There we go. Value is either too large or too small for int32. Okay, question is, I literally broke it. I broke it. That's impressive. Question, is that why some passwords, like on websites, they don't let you have over a certain amount of characters in the password because there's just too much bit? Is that what that shit's about? Wow. Alright, drag and drop the options below to make the following program work. Double N, string x equals 77, n equals, shit. Uh-oh, okay. Alright, so we're doubling n, and then the string is x equals 77. Oh, we're not doubling n, that's not how it works. Hold on a second. N equals... Is it convert to double? Yes! We're doing it! We're doing it well. Comments. Hey, I've already talked about these. Comments are explanatory statements that you can include in a program to benefit the reader of your code. The compiler ignores everything that appears in the comment, and so none of the information affects the result. A comment beginning with 2 slashes is called a single line comment. The slashes tell the compiler to ignore everything that follows until the end of the line. What? What? Oh, God, what happened? What in God's name did I do? Okay, I see. I accidentally hit try it yourself, and I'm guessing they have their own little code dealio. But see, I got this thing. I don't need your code thingy, so thank you anyway. What is the output of this code? Int x equals 8, / x equals 3, console.writeLine. This would, my friend, be 8. Because the slashes mean this doesn't show. This was a trick. Also, I like how they inputted the error as well. Nice idea. Multi-line comments. Comments that require multiple lines to begin with a slash and an asterisk, and end with an asterisk and a slash at the end of the comment block. You can place them on the same line or insert one or more lines between them. Okay. Gotcha. I did it again. Okay, this one. Thank you. Alright, so this is slash asterisk, asterisk slash. Easy peasy. Alright, the var keyword. A variable can be explicitly declared with its type before it's used. Alternatively, C# provides a handy function to enable a compiler to determine the type of variable automatically based on the expression it is assigned to. The var keyword is used for those scenarios. Var num equals 15. Okay. The code above makes the compiler determine the type of the variable. Since the value assigned to the variable is an integer, the variable will be declared as an integer automatically. So, for all you people at home listening, following along, this right here is exactly why your Undertale had special elements, because you had a different variable number at the start of your file. Now you know. Alright, what is the type of temp variable? Var temp equals 14.55. That would be a double, right? Yes, I'm retaining information. The var keyword. Variables declared using the var keyword are called implicitly typed variables. Implicitly typed variables must be initialized with a value. For example, the following program will cause an error. Var num and then num equals... Really? Huh. Oh, so I can't go and reassign it with a callback like that. Interesting, so I have to assign it there. Although it is easy and convenient to declare variables using the var keyword, overuse can harm the readability of your code. Best practice to explicitly declare variables. What is the output of this code? Var n1 equals true. This is an error, my man. You don't do that. You would just put var equals a variable. So like, I don't know, and fucking a number or something. I don't know, dude. Just do it. Gosh, constants and variables. Constants store a value that cannot be changed from their initial assignment. To declare a constant, use the const modifier. For example, const double pi equals 3.14. The value of const pi cannot be changed during the program execution. For example, an assignment statement later in the program will cause an error. Const double pi equals 3.14. Pi equals 8 / error. Yeah, because that can't be, because pi already equals 314. Constants must be initialized with a value when declared. Alright. Fill in the blank to make the variable sum a constant. Alright. Const. Right? Yeah, easy. Alright. Arithmetic operators. That's a thing. An operator is a symbol that performs mathematical or logical manipulation. Alright, we're all fucked. Arithmetic operators. C# supports the following arithmetic operators. God damn, what the hell is a modulus? I didn't go to college. What the fuck, man? Oh, it's just percent? Oh, never mind. Alright, sure. For example, int x equals 10, int y equals 4, console write line is x minus y, and it outputs, oh. Oh, really? Oh, never mind. This is okay. Easy peasy. Okay. So, this is where we do math. So, if we just want to do a little, oh yeah. In the multiplication. Okay, so x. Wait, can I actually do x? Because x is already a thing, right? Is it x? It's a asterisk. Okay, I'm stupid. I should have probably paid more attention in class. Oh god. Console write line. Wait, I don't have to actually do the math, do I? No, I don't, right? Console write line Z? Is that right? I feel like I need to put something else here. No, we're good. Whew. All right, so it did the math for us because, okay, cool. All right. Division operator / divides the first operand and by the second. If the operands are both integers, any remainder is dropped in order to return an integer value. So, 10 times 4 outputs a 2. Really? Oh, never mind, I'm stupid. Of course it does. Basic math. Alright, what is the output of this code? Alright. That would be 3, right? Yes. Because it's 5 going into 16. Modulus. The modulus operator is informally known as the remainder operator because it returns the remainder of an integer division. For example, 25% of 7 outputs a 4. I'm sorry. That would be... I'm sorry. Wait. What? Hold on, am I being stupid? Wait. Yeah, I am being stupid. So, wait. Hold on. Wait, why is basic math eluding me? Come on, dude. Come on, hold on a second. That would output a 4, right? Okay, so 7, 40, 20. Oh, okay, so would that really be... No, okay, so, wait, what? Hold on. Why am I being stupid? I'm being stupid. No, shit. Okay, the modulus operator, percent, is informally known as the remainder operator because it returns the remainder of an integer division. Okay. So, this is... Wow, this is going over my head. I need a sip of my drink. Okay. Alright. This is blowing my fucking mind for some reason. What do these comments say? I'm curious. I hope I can help. It works like this. 25 and 7 can't be done with whole numbers. So 28 and 7 would be 4. 21 and 7 would be 3. 28 is too much. He fucked up the 2 there. But 21 works. But what is with the 4 left? that is the remainder. What percent does? It divides the largest number possible, and the other number will be returned. Other example, 27. Oh, God, that makes more sense. Okay, so it's 7, 14, 21, and it can't go anymore, so it gives me the leftover numbers. Oh, thank you, X, X, Y, X, X, Y, 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 X. You're the man. Give him a thumbs up. Which operator is used to determine the remainder? Percent. Whew. Man, I feel stupid sometimes. Goddamn. Alright. Operator precedence. Operator precedence determines the grouping of terms in an expression, which affects how an expression is evaluated. Certain operators take higher precedence over others. For example, the multiplication operation has higher precedence than the addition operation. Than the addition operator. Really? Why? Is it because they're in the order? Wait. In terms of... Oh, what? I'm guessing it does. It depends on the order, I think. Okay, so this would be 4 plus 3 times... Wait. What? Hold on. You're blowing my mind. Simple, basic math is not this hard. Relax. Focus. You got this shit. Look at it. Okay. So... 4 plus 3. Wait, so then... Certain operators take higher precedence over others. For example, the multiplication operator has a higher precedence. Okay, so it's not the order. Why do they take certain why do they go into effect first? The program evaluates 3 times 2 first, and then adds the result of 4. As in mathematics, using parentheses alters operation precedence. Huh. Okay. Alright, that makes sense. I guess I just need to know which ones take precedence. Weird. Okay, fair enough. The operations within parentheses are performed first. If there are parenthetical expressions nested within one another, the expression within the innermost parentheses is evaluated first. Right? That makes sense. So, like for example, if I had a few more in there and one of them was a asterisk, that one would go first. Gotcha. If none of the expressions are in parentheses, oh, here we go. This is the which ones are first thing. So it's multiplication, division, and then modulus. Operators will be valued before additive. Okay, so it's multiplicative first, then additive. Okay. Operators of equal precedence are evaluated left to right. Okay, cool. So, fill in until you have x equals 15. Alright. So, this would be this, and then this. I'm sorry, this. So then this would be 5 times 3. Got it. Flawless champion. Dude, I have 68 experience. What do you got? Hope other people are doing this along with me. That'd be kind of fun. You know, we can all learn C# together. Yeah. Alright, the equals assignment operator assigns the value of the right side of the operator to the variable on the left side. C# also provides compound assignment operators that perform an operation and an assignment in one statement. For example, int x equals 42, x plus equals 2, equivalent to x equals x plus 2, and x minus equals 6, and that is equivalent to x equals x minus 6. What? Okay. Let's see here. So that would just Oh, I see. So if I do this, okay, so if I use this thing, then I'm subtracting this already from itself. And then I'm sorry. Wait, no I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm using that as the starting point. and then I'm doing the okay, okay, all right, hold on. I'm sure I can do it here. Okay, alternative for x equals x plus 5. That is x plus this 5. I'm sorry, x plus equals 5. There. All right, that's not so bad. All right, the same shorthand syntax applies to multiplication, division, and modulus operators. Okay, so yeah, gotcha. They're all the same. Fill in the missing part of the following code to divide by x by 3 using the shorthand. Okay, so 42. That would be for dividing. What was dividing? Wait, what was the symbol for dividing? I actually forgot. Let's see. Oh, it was slash. Okay, so slash by 3. Bam! There we go. Okay. The increment operator is used to increase the integer's value by 1 and is commonly used by C# operator. X++ equivalent to x equals x plus 1. Oh. Okay, so I'm curious about things now. I want to test. Hold on a second. So, int x equals 10, x plus plus, we're just going to do it for that right now, and then console.writeLine x. Okay, let's see. So this should be 11, right? Okay. So, the more I do this, the more it'll show, right? So it's more it's going to increase. I'm sorry, there were some errors? There's a limit to how much I could do that? Oh. Okay. So there's a limit. I can only do it up to 1, I guess. What about x minus minus? How about that? Would this work? I don't know. Okay, it does work. All right, cool. But I can only do this up to the 1, right? Is that correct? Yes, I can only do 1 increment each time. Gotcha. All right, that's fine. Understood. Understood. Sorry, I don't know how to speak. All right, what is the output of this code? X++. This should be a 7. Nice. All right, prefix and postfix forms. The increment operator has 2 forms, prefix and postfix. Plus plus x equals prefix, x plus plus is postfix. Prefix increments the value and then proceeds with the expression. Postfix evaluates the expression and then proceeds with the incrementing. Okay, prefix example is int x equals 3, y equals plus plus x. So then x is 4, y is 4. Okay. And then int equals 3, and then y equals x plus plus. Okay, so this would display... Wait, what? Hold on a second. Huh. Okay, I think I get it here. Alright, the prefix example increments the value of x and then assigns it to y. The postfix example assigns the value of x to y and then increments x. Okay, I get it then. So before it actually assigns it... Okay, gotcha. What's the difference between plus plus x and x plus plus? X plus plus uses x's value and then increments it. I think that's it right there, actually. Plus plus x increments x's value before using it. Wait, what? That isn't... Wait, hold on. Am I getting confused? Plus plus x uses x's value before incrementing it. That's incorrect. X plus plus increments x's value before using it. Wait a second. That's incorrect. This is incorrect. This increments x's value before using it. This is right? Well, uses x's value and then increments it. I feel like both of these are right. Am I just stupid? Huh. Hold on a second. Oh, select all that apply. I'm stupid. There was multiple answers. I'm stupid. I'm a stupid guess. God damn it. All right, the decrement operator. Okay, so it's the same thing as the last one, but it's minus instead of plus. Gotcha. Okay, so x equals 42. So then, let's see. Fill in the missing operator to decrease the value of x by 1. Okay, so that would be this, right? Was it the other way around? Okay, I done fucked up. Wait. I'm stupid. Oh wait, no. Okay, hold on. If I want to do the minus then equals thing, that is that's something else entirely. Okay, never mind. Don't mind me. I'm just a stupid I gotta do a quiz now. Oh shit. Rearrange the code to create a valid program. Fuck. Alright. Static. Okay, this always starts first. Right line message. Alright, string message equals hello, and then that, and then end it. Easy. Next one. Drag and drop the below to display the value of x to the screen. Alright, void. Static void. This would be right line. And then x equals 4 plus 3. And then, so that would be 14. This would be... Wait a second. No. I'm sorry. Right. No. Right line is here. Right line. Static void. Is this main? No. Wait, hold on. Console right line? Static void. This is confusing to me here. I'm pretty sure this is correct. But this one here? Is it main? Let me just try. It is main. Alright, go with your gut instinct, apparently. Fuck. What is the output of this code? Int a equals 4, b equals 6, b equals a++. Okay, so it's just 7. What? I'm sorry. What? Okay. Oh. I'm stupid. It's 5. Wait, no, it's not. Is it? Okay. Console right line plus b. And then b equals... Wait. Int b. Okay, then b now equals a++. Wait, what? Holy shit, my mind is being blown right now. Okay. Alright. A equals 4. B equals 6. B equals a++. Console that right line plus b. Okay, so the... Alright. Is that... I feel like this is wrong. When I... Okay, alright, so it can't be what I thought. Alright. Is it... It can't be 5, can it? It was 5. Okay, the plus b part threw me off here. Why did it... What? Why was... How does that work? Int a equals 4, and then int b equals 6. But then b equals a++, which is 4. I'm sorry, 5. But then the console is plus b. Where did the 6 go then? Did we just kill the 6 off? I guess we did just kill the 6 off, huh? Alright. I guess the 6 was just the starting point. And then we just murked it. It's fine. Okay. Fill in the blanks to declare 2 variables of type int and display their sum to the screen. Alright, so int, and then int, and then like that, right? What? Fill in the blanks to declare two variables of int. And display their sum to... Oh, display their sum! Oh, fuck, I'm stupid. I didn't even read that part. I thought we were just displaying them. I need to read more. Reading's important. What is the output of this code? Int x equals 15. Int y equals 6. X... Okay. Now you're getting to be a jerk here. Alright. So really all this is we're doing some shit today. This should be 3, if I'm not mistaken. I am not mistaken. Was that it? We've completed the basic concepts! We're C# champions! Hell yeah! Oh! Alright, that was fun. Yeah. I thought that'd be a little thing to do. You know, why not try to learn some stuff? I thought it was kind of neat anyway. I've always loved the idea of programming, but never really was the smartest tool in the shed, so didn't do it. But the idea of learning it sounds pretty fun, so if you guys do want some more of that, let me know. If not, fuck it, we'll go back to playing video games or some shit. I don't know, dude. Fuck it. Let me know. But yeah, in the meantime, yeah, thank y'all for joining me for that if you did. This was quite a long sesh. I'm sorry if that's too much for you, but hey, someone's got to do it. Darn it. Anyway, that's it for me, so I'll catch you another time. Thanks for sticking around. Take it easy, guys. Later.